what computer games do you like? I really like Roblox. And then one more. Coco game. I've been all thinking, my pen stand or my stand for putting your eraser and stuff like that. Here it's super cute. It has Pinkie Pie on it, and it's super cute, pink. But I just feel like I need something more, nicer, and it's cuter, and it's nice to squish. Yeah, see that? It's just missing something, so wait, it smells so good. It smells like, it's just so good. If you hear with me, here we go, just smell it. It smells so sweet. Like, I want to show you. This is for your pencil or your pen stand. I have a squishy. I have a pen or pencil. Oh, squishy pen. I love that song. And here we go. Super squishy. Again, like I have to, oh my gosh. Look, I'm gonna put this, and you guys are gonna comment which one is the cutest. This one just looks like this. Super boring. Or this one, nice to squish. Go vote, comment down below. Do you guys like this one better or this one better? I definitely love this one better. Like, OMG, so nice. And you hold this like, OMG, it's so relaxing. OMG, this is so cute. This is, and oh my gosh, it's super soft. Oh, it's super squishy. And this is from Ibloom pen stand. And this is literally the most squishy and squishiest and softest squishy I have my whole entire collection. And this is from Ibloom. When you squish, it's so slow rising. I'll put in my hand. Okay guys, I'm gonna do my hand while this rising, but this is super rising. Like, okay, let's go. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so easy. And then does it rise? Nope, it's not rise. Oh, okay, stuck. Okay. Oh my god, it's literally still rising from here. This is my squish. Adding to my work. Let's see if it's already right. Like, you can bring this here to school, like, oh, Miss, like, if it's no, like, Miss, it's for my pen stand. It's not a toy, it's for my pen stand. Let's go to the next one. Go through. Ah! We got another one! This one's the yellow color. Again, super rising. I'm gonna go challenge you which one is most rising, the yellow one or this one. So just gonna wait to rise. Still rising. Wow. Okay, so we're just gonna squish. Okay, you guys, I'm cute. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see here. Let's see who's the most squishiest. Okay guys, I think we know who's the squishiest. You guys, we know. This one is the most squishy, the squishiest than this one. So, okay. This is an Ibloom lemon. And you just can stuck this. And look at how cute. And when you feel it, you didn't feel the pen. It's like you squish this without the pen here. It's like still so soft. You cannot like feel it. Oh my gosh. Okay. If you don't know, Ibloom is one of my favorite squishy company because their squishy is literally made of Japan and it's super rising. So I love this. Okay, so we're just gonna put this here, and this is from Ibloom. Okay, so I bought 2 pens, and this is the yellow ones I'm gonna put here. Okay, okay. There and there. Tara! Let's see. Oh my god, I always drop things. Why? When I stop filming, I try to get the pen, the yellow pen. There's one more. One more. Okay, I'm gonna close my eye and I'm gonna go. Okay. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys see it's from Ibloom too. It is from Ibloom. This is one of my squishy in my whole entire squishy collection. Like, look at this. Oh my, holy moly! It's not even like right. It's like not moving. It's like not moving at all. Like, oh my gosh, the fruit here. It's just, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Super squishy. Oh my gosh, and it's so squishy and so slow rising, both of them, and so soft. So I'm gonna put it here. This one, I feel like there's no pen inside of this. I'm gonna go and just wait until this rise. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hello, can you hear me? This is all three squishy, and let's do a bag of this one and this one. 3, 2, 1. This one's already done. This one is still right. This is the queen. The third. This is the second. This is the first. I told you this is like one of my very squishy in the whole entire collection. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so let's go starting right now with this new pen stand squishy. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have a great life and stay like a royalty, so be cool.